Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go! Hello everybody, it's Brianna. Today I'm back in the kitchen and guess what cookbook I got for my birthday? Snoop Dogg and I. So I was looking through this. He's got a lot of like good comfort food in here. Like Billionaire's bacon, that looks good. There's like a banana pudding in here, fried bologna sandwich. But today, let me get back to it. We're doing this mac and cheese. Even says soul food up top. So let me read this little thing, this little description here for it. Another Southern staple. If you're in a soul food spot and they're not serving up real thick, real cheesy mac, you messed up somewhere and might as well dip. Shout out to Edna Lewis for helping to get our food in these type of cookbooks. You know, the stuff that we can eat on. Now there's classic mac and cheese, and then there's Boss Lady's mac and cheese. Yeah, this right here is inspired by my wife, Shantae Broadus, aka the Boss Lady. She knows the way to the dog's heart is through his stomach. So she's making enough of this cheesy treat to keep the dog always coming back home for more. She just knows my flavor and what to do to make it taste the way I like it. Bitch can't do it like she do it. So what's so special about my baby's mac and cheese? Simple. It's just like Carlton from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. It's cheesy as a mofo. So, if you guys are ready, I'm ready. I got my bling on, my gold chains. I got my gold shoes on. So get your gold chains out. Get your pots and pans and your cheese and all that. Let's make this mac and cheese.
And now, a quick word from our sponsor.
Hello, I'm Brianna's Bananas, and this is Joplin Bananas, and we need your help getting to 1,000 subscribers. Your subscription is free and zero obligation. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy my premium content. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to start getting real sponsors, and we'll be able to make bigger and better videos for you to watch. So make sure you're subscribed, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. Right now, we're almost to 100 subscribers, and to my 100 subscriber, I'm going to be sending a painting that I have painted myself. So go ahead and subscribe, and if you're the 100 subscriber, I'll be sending you that picture. Thank you.
Okay, so I forgot my apron, so I'm going to do a cool put my hair up cut. Ready? Okay. So what you're gonna need, some whole milk, some heavy cream, some sour cream, whole stick of butter. We're gonna need 5 cups of cheddar cheese. I got 1 big bag of sharp cheddar and then 1 little bag of mild cheddar, just to, you know, switch up the cheddar levels. I need a pound of elbow macaroni and some Worcestershire, some cayenne, some dry mustard, and nutmeg, and some flour to make our thick cheesy sauce. So now I got this water, it's coming up to a boil. For my noodles, I got my oven, it's preheating to 400, and we're gonna put it in this pan later. I'm gonna bake it for half an hour. I got this saucepan ready. To make my cheese sauce. So I think I'm gonna wait for this to come up to a boil and then I'll come back and we'll make our cheese sauce. Okay, so my water is boiling. First of all, I'm gonna dump this in here. So turns out we need another pot or pan. So I grabbed this large pot and we still have this small pot. So in the small pot, I'm gonna take 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of this heavy cream. So we're going to heat that up very gradually so it doesn't burn. So we're going to heat that up. We're going to put some butter and some flour in this other pot. So this recipe mentions twice 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of flour. Then it also says 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of flour over here. So I thought it was for 2 separate things, but I think it's for the same thing, and I'm not sure if you add the amounts together or if it's just a typo and they put it in twice. Oh boy. That is a good question. So I'm gonna go with it's a typo. And we're just gonna use the 4 tablespoons in the 1/4 cup instead of 8 tablespoons in a full cup. Or a 1/2 cup of flour. If that makes sense. Just make sure you're stirring your noodles. It's not overflowing. Whisking up your milks. 1/4 cup of flour is on deck. Waiting for my butter. Okay. Butter's melted. I'm gonna whisk in this flour. Remember what this is called, right? It's called a roux. So cook out the flour a little bit. Get this a little bit brown. Add this milk. Just try to get these lumpies out as much as you can. Right now the burner's on like a 3 out of 10. So we're not burning our milk or anything. Stir this up. Should have got a bigger pot for these noodles. It's okay, they're almost done. Time for the cheese. It says cook for 2 minutes, so I'm gonna cook it for 2 minutes and then add the cheese. I'll be back. Okay, this has been sitting here thickening, heating up and thickening. I just drained my noodles. So now, time for the cheese. 5 cups of cheese. Wait. Right now it's 2.5 cups of cheese, and then the rest goes on top. Some of this one in. If you put too much cheese, no one's gonna be like, oh my gosh, you put way too much cheese in this. So don't worry about that. Ooh, this looks good already. Let me turn it down a little. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at that. 2/3 of a cup of sour cream. You know what? The rest of this container looks like 2/3, so I'm just gonna, we're eyeballing. Okay. Let's get my sour cream. Oh my God. Okay. And then all of our seasonings. This is 2 teaspoons. About-ish. Nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg goes a long way, so don't go overboard on that. So there's 1/4 teaspoon of this. Cayenne pepper. 2 teaspoons mustard, dry mustard. And also, of course, don't forget your salt and pepper. Woo. Salt. Oh my gosh. Smells like it's got some flavor in there. We'll put a little bit of cheese on the bottom. Ah, don't make a mess. Our pasta. Ooh. Put a tiny bit of like vegetable oil on these. They won't clump together like that. Oh boy, is this all gonna fit? Oh my goodness. So let me make sure all these noodles are cheesy. Oh my God, this looks like so much cheese sauce. But that's okay. Better than it being super dry mac and cheese, and nobody wants that. Get that out of here, nobody wants that. Okay, make sure you've sprayed the bottom of this before you do all this. So your cheese isn't gonna stick to everything. Take some more cheese. Just completely cover this with cheese so you can't even tell what's underneath. Okay, you guys, you think that's enough cheese? I'm super ready to put this in the oven and try it out. So, once again, I'm gonna stick this in the oven for a half an hour. And then we're gonna come back and taste this cheesy goodness. Oh my God. Okay, see you then. Okay, you guys, we're back. And you should totally look at this mac and cheese.
It smells so cheesy and good.
Got nice and crustified and brown on top. Ooh, mac and cheese. So we're totally ready to try this.
We've been like waiting.
Let's serve it up.
You want me to serve it? You serve
I
it.
got it.
Ooh, listen to that cheese crunch sound.
It's like squishy and
Squishy,
crunchy.
gooey, and cheesy.
That looks like a lot.
It like sounds like when you're eating it. Not sure if you're lactose intolerant that this is the best idea, because there's a lot of
Yeah.
cheese in this. But who cares? It looks good.
I was gonna put the ham in it, but I
That
couldn't,
didn't happen.
couldn't find any ham.
Well, because we have two Walmarts, and she went to the Walmart here in Marietta, and they don't have as much groceries as the Temecula one, unfortunately.
They don't have any ham.
Yeah.
Anyways, you hear
Oh
this?
my god. It's still steaming hot. Can you see the steam?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Steam. Okay. Enough goofing around.
I'm scared. I'm gonna burn my mouth.
It's still super hot, so we'll see.
So it tastes like that macaroni corn stuff without the corn. And a crispy coating. Basically.
What's the crispy coating that you put on it? This is spicy.
No, I mean your crispy coating.
Oh.
The other one doesn't have a crispy coating.
I thought you had like cornflakes or something.
Oh yeah, I think it does. I don't remember.
He always makes this casserole for like Christmas or whatever.
It's like
Mac and cheese and corn.
Yeah, with Velveeta cheese and
Oh,
corn
man.
in it and cream corn.
It's so creamy.
Or make that on the video.
Let me get some of this crusty top.
It's like perfect. Cheesy crust. You can tell we like cheese.
Hope you guys like cheese and soul food. You can really taste the nutmeg and the cayenne in there, but it's like a good combo with the cheese. If you want, you can put like pepper jack cheese or
Ooh, spice it up a little bit.
Gouda cheese or something like
Ooh,
that.
some Gouda, some smoked Gouda.
Ooh, that sounds good. Smoky. Well, anyways, we're like picking out on this mac and cheese in front of you guys. It's so good. So I'm glad I got that cookbook. Thanks, Snoop Dogg, for the mac and cheese recipe. Maybe I'll be back with that banana pudding recipe.
Ooh.
Who knows? Stay tuned for the future. I hope you're subscribed. And please leave me comments and all that stuff. And we'll see you next time with another video. See you later. Bye.